Hello, Bodyfangs, walk to the bush. Guys, today I want to talk to you about love. If you want the ultimate boerennooi, plaas meisie, or just plaas tannie, you need to do something bloody sexy to attract her. Weird. Maybe you just need a tractor. And a good set of teeth. Not those teeth, these ones. So stop pulling the wool over your eyes. And just show her your groot millie. Now I know there's a saying where they say you can't take your chommies to the pub and make them drink brandewyn. No. You can take a horse to the water, but you can't force it to drink. Unless you've got a Trogtek waterbak. Then you can make your horse, your camel horse, your donkey, your koe, your hoender and your clean mother drink. And there's only one place where you can actually do this. Nampo 2024. I'm going to be at the Trogtek stand on the 15th and the 16th of May. So pull in. Get excited as a rooikop laaitie met sproete by a sweet shop. Come say who's it. Take a picture and have a lag and a giggel and a peepee in your pant. Yeah, who knows, you might just get your boerennooi. Yeah, or your boerentannie. Just make sure she doesn't have a lip lapper groter than mine. Okay, see you there tomorrow. Thanks.